Welcome to Bernie's Learnings. In today's video, we will briefly look at the use of useDebugValue in React. useDebugValue is a built-in hook provided by React that enhances the debugging experience for custom hooks. It allows you to provide custom labels or formatted values displayed in the React DevTools while debugging. This can be a game changer when it comes to understanding the inner workings of your hooks. Alright, so as an example of useDebugValue, I've just created a quick custom hook called useWindowWidth. Now useWindowWidth just contains a use effect and some state for tracking the current window width. So what we'll do is we'll go and add a quick useDebugValue call, and we'll throw in window width as the value for useDebugValue. So this is with no formatting, no nothing, just straight use of the useDebugValue. And if we look at the actual components tab and look at the app and then look at the hook, we should be able to see something a bit nicer than what you might normally see. There we go. So hooks, window width, 1833. So we can really quickly see the value or any information from within the hook being used here. So that's pretty nice. It's, it is what it is, but we don't have to expand that window width when looking at the list of hooks. Some of the other options with useDebugValue are the fact that you can use a custom formatter and a value. So what I might do is actually make this a little bit more usable, or have more use. So basically, here we go. Get screen size label. So if I throw the window width into something like that, and I just say, hey, based on the width, I want to bring back a label that gives me more information about what's going on here. So I've just used the typical sizings that you might see in a typical web app for responsiveness or responsive design. So extra small through to extra large. And now with that, when I run this app, we should see those values rather than the number of pixels wide that the window currently is. And that's a little bit of a help. So here we go. We've got that commented out and saved. Let's give that a little run. Did I save it? No. Yes, there we go. It's recompiled. And here we go back to Chrome. And there we go. We can see the window width now is extra large. So that makes sense. A window width of 1366 satisfies our test to output extra large there. So that all seems to be working nicely. Now, one of the other things you can do, and I mentioned before, is that there is also a format parameter that you can use, the second parameter of useDebugValue. So there's value and then format. And format is a function that takes in your value. So our value is still the get screen size label of the window width. And now we're just adding some text wrapped around that value. So now we're saying screen size, and we should see, something along the lines of screen size small or screen size medium. And this is just a real simple example of how you can use the value and the formatting. There we go. Screen size extra large.